and welcome to Luna's World.
Okay, so today we have a special surprise. Are you ready to see it? Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Do you know what this is? What is that?
Pink slime.
Pink slime! Okay, so let's take it out of the box and see what it brings.
Yes.
Okay, this is called
Okay.
Gelli Baff. It's here. It's over here from the bottom.
No? No.
Oh my goodness.
It comes with that. It comes with this powder.
Okay, so step
And it comes with more pink.
Oh.
It comes with more.
Wow, this is
And it comes with the instructions.
okay, let's see the instructions quick.
Which,
This
let me
here.
see this. Let me see the instructions.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, over here. It says step 1. Run the water. Okay, we already did that. Sprinkle the first bag. So this one.
Yeah, that's the first step. Does it say number 1?
Yeah, step 1.
Step 1. So do I pour it now?
You can pour it now. Move a little bit that way, so we can all see you, and we can see what's gonna happen.
Oh no,
Remember?
it's gonna be so slimy.
You always need an adult to help you with scissors.
So you cannot get cut your finger.
We don't want you to get cut. And
Now
no way
what
you could use the whole bag, but okay, let's try it. Let's give it a try. Just pour the bag. Oh. Pink water. Let's see, it says here you have to stir with your hand, and we have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes. So
5 to 10
continue-
minutes.
So continue stirring.
Papi, stir with me.
Okay, and we'll come right now. Let's help stir.
We'll see you later, kids.
See you in a little bit. See you in 5 to 10 minutes.
See you in 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes.
Hi, kids, we're back.
We're back, and we have
A slime bag.
Gelli Baff.
A jelly slime bag. So
Disgusting.
slimy.
Super slimy.
And this is my first time using slime in the bath.
This is our first time in the bath, and it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool
Yeah.
experiment, and it's your favorite color.
Yeah, it's my favorite color. Well, we were a little bit late.
Oh, okay. And we invited. Who's that? Is that Lily?
Yeah.
That's Lily. Lily's going to play here.
And
with you.
Lila was playing pie face. So I'm dressed up as different. She's a different baby because we
jelly.
It's like jelly. This is, it looks to wash your hair with this. It looks like gel.
Mm-hmm.
Gel is sticky and gooey.
This is very gooey.
Yeah, this is a lot gooey than gel. I want to play with Luna. I want to play with Luna.
This is so much fun.
I know.
So much fun.
More toys are coming in. Come, Mommy, bring more toys.
Okay.
Mama, there's toys up there. Let me get the toys up there.
Luna, you want to play with me? Look at my unicorn floaty.
Cute.
Whee!
Make sure there's no water.
Do you like it?
Wait. Let me put some. No.
Ooh.
So you feel much comfier. Wait.
Ooh, I like it.
Wait.
I love this jelly bath.
Let me put some pink in there.
Okay, this is so much fun.
Like it.
I love it. I love it.
If you're thirsty, I have this drink for you.
Oh, yay!
I have this. It's a drink.
Is it a pink lemonade?
Yeah, pink one.
Oh, pink lemonade is my favorite. Yummy. I found. Oh!
You can play with your duckies.
Ooh, my duckies. Oh, slime. Can I swim?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Go under the water then, you silly.
I can't swim. This is too hard to swim in.
No.
So much fun. Oh, so relaxing. I just want to relax.
Okay, I'm gonna cover your feet, cover your feet. And then cover your neck. How does it feel?
Oh, so much fun.
So slimy?
Mm-hmm.
How is that? Relaxing?
You should come here next to me. Next to me. Come next to me.
Okay. Next to you. Oh, bring your duckies. Here's your duckies. How does it feel?
Oh, this is so much fun. I love this.
Are you thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
Okay, I'll give you drink that it fill you up. Lemonade, and we open this. Wait.
Oh, is this slime? More slime.
No, that's pink lemonade. Let me wash your cute hair. Let me wash your hair. Give me your hair. Give me your hair. Don't get your hair. Don't get your hair.
Oh,
That's not slime.
good.
That's to wash your hair. Does it smell good?
It feels really good. It smells like strawberries.
I know it's because from strawberries.
Oh, I like it.
Okay, put that back how it goes. This is to take it off so you can smell.
Oh,
Gel.
gel. Oh, pink gel.
That's your
Yay.
favorite color, right? No, you cannot. I need to put one more thing and then you're done and then you can play. But do not do that never again.
Oh, that's so much fun. Did you like this jelly bath?